So welcome to Mercat Tours. My name's Simon and welcome to our Secrets of the Royal Mile tour. And straight off the bat, the first secret of the Royal Mile tour is the Royal Mile of Edinburgh is not a mile long. But mile or not, this is still one of the most historic thoroughfares in the whole of the United Kingdom, if not Europe and the world really. This curious old structure behind me, this is known as the Mercat Cross. This was the beating heart of the old town of Edinburgh really. People would come to pick up the news, pick up the gossip. This being historic Scotland we're talking about, that entertainment of course wasn't always of the family variety. So this is where criminals used to be dealt with, and of course dealt with quite savagely back in those days.